Why is this thing not on? It's starting to get hot in here. Look at this. Hey, did you know you can control or easily fix up to 75% of the things that'll go wrong with your air conditioner? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Tim from Midwest Mentors here. Thankfully everything's okay with my air conditioner. We don't need it today. It is a beautiful day here in Missouri, but we're gonna need this air conditioner soon. Now, why is it okay? I do preventive maintenance twice a year on it, in the spring and in the fall, because I don't want to break down on July 4th weekend. Okay, here you could see that I'm using a hose and it's on a gentle stream. Now you don't want to have it on, jet blast or whatever, just a gentle stream. You're trying to get off the first layer of cottonwood, of dust, of the things that are on there. So just using a gentle stream of water. Make sure you go through here, go up and down, try to get the entire surface. Then after you do it, as you're spraying down on the coils, then you want to do it to where you're spraying up on the coils, and then finally the last thing is back down on the coils. So go down on the coils, up on the coils, and then down on the coils, and make sure you get every surface here. So what are you doing when you're cleaning this off? Well, the way an air conditioner works is it's got to pull air in from the outside and expel it out the top. That's what the fan is for. And if it's clogged and you can't do this, it's not able to get air in because there's all the cottonwood and junk and dust and stuff like that on it. It can't do its job. So that's why 2 times a year you need to clean the outside unit. So you'll see some videos out there about using coil cleaner. I want to caution you, now that's not a DED, that's not a don't ever do, but only if your manufacturer suggests that that's what you should do, should you use coil cleaner. And you're probably not gonna need it in most situations. Hey folks, one other thing you can do. These bricks are here to make sure that an accidental lawnmower or weed eater doesn't hit my refrigeration lines, because that'll cause you a world of pain if it does. You'll see some videos on YouTube if you do a little research, and they advise taking the cover off of this fan and setting it aside and using the hose down to blow out. Now, that is a valid way to do it, but you do run into a problem of crimping the lines, the electric lines that go to this fan. I would not recommend that. Hey, thanks for watching so far. If you like what you have seen, please like and subscribe. Now, when you subscribe on YouTube, it doesn't cost you anything. It just notifies you when we put out a new video. Here at Midwest Mentors, we want to share the mistakes that we've made so you don't have to make them too. Thanks everybody. God bless.